Hello and welcome to uxColor and uxMarketFlow. I want to do some studying with you in the uxColor map from the uxMarketFlow Pro products, and this is an intraday map. So this is the S&P 100, and this is September 4th. In this intraday map that's in the Pro product line, intraday history, each row is a stock and each column is a 30-second price value. And we're looking at the afternoon. The map opens in 253 observations, about a third of a day. There's about 780 or 85 observations at 30-second during the day. I can take that 1/3 of a day bandwidth and scroll it back in time, interlace window, and there's a pretty homogeneous, heterogeneous pattern in the market. You'll see this resort light comes on. It's just telling me that if I had a sort that was dependent on the time frame, I need to resort. I'm going to go back here to the morning. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to open up this bandwidth, so I'm going to see the full day. I'm going to back off to about 780, and we're going to replay this day with the replay function, and I've got it turned up pretty fast. And what this is doing is it started at first thing when the market opened at 9:30, and it's adding a point and sequentially coloring the map as the day goes along. So we're watching the day unfold. You can do this with daily data and watch history unfold. I can sort this map during the day if I want to, and the sort will stay on. We're back to the name. So now we're coming up on noon, and we're sequentially adding a point and then recoloring the map. So what's happening? It's about 12:45. We're coming up to about 1 o'clock. Pretty heterogeneous. Some issues up, red, green on the right, and some issues down, red, since the opening, and versus the opening time and the opening values. Now we have some stocks that are heading down, and now we've got the market heading down, becoming much more homogeneous. We're at 3 o'clock. A lot of issues down now, and now we're heading down, and we're heading out to the end of the day. It's 4 o'clock when the market closes, and now we've got the afternoon, which is a pretty down afternoon across most issues. And having studied this before, I would say and predict that tomorrow is going to be an up day for the market. What we want to do is to go out and look at these issues that are different. Abbott, AbbVie, Costco, Emerson, Lowe's, Microsoft, Nike, Procter & Gamble, Walgreens. So what I'm going to do is to go out and we're going to look at the following day and see what happens to those issues that are against the market intraday trend. I'm going to pause for a minute and come right back. Now we're looking at a daily data map, the same S&P 100 issues. This is September 9th is today, and the market's closed. But what I've done is I've scrolled this window, interlace window, this 1 year, 253-day interlace window, back to September 5th. And when I sort by percentage change at the right-hand side, it sorts by today's change, or whatever the value is at the right-hand side of the interlace window over the previous day. So I can go out now and I can find the issues that have changed, and suppose I want to see Walgreens was one of those issues. I just type WALG, and it highlights that. And if I bring the issues list in, it shows me that Walgreens was up 2.39% the following day. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for all of those issues that I noted, and I brought that in. I've got a little spreadsheet I'm going to show you that I've made for you, and here they are. AbbVie, Walgreens was up. So what I've got is the stock name that we noted that was different. I've got percentage change the following day. This was an update for the market. The market was up about 0.60%, the S&P 100 index. And then I've got the rank. The rank is a little bit more interesting to me here because I'm trying to neutralize for whether it was an up or a down market. And Walgreens, one of those unusual issues, was one of the top-rated top mover was Nike, and Walgreens was number 2. So there seems to be something to the fact that intraday data is somewhat predictive for the following day value. So thanks. Come see us at uxcolor.com. And again, this is the uxMarketFlow Pro product, and this is an intraday history map. Let's go back and see that intraday history map before we close. And that's it, and it starts like this. So come see us at uxcolor.com. Thank you.